Hello everyone, this is Sean Heather and today we got the Pitaka Aramid fiber woven cases for Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. So we're going to have a quick review of all of these cases with our Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. So we will have a look at their build quality, design and all of its pros and cons while performing a quick unboxing as well. But before we start, if you're new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. So the Pitaka Aramid Fiber Ultra Slim cases for Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 come in 3 different color variants. We got Moonrise, Sunset and the classic 600T black grey version. If you have a look on the retail box here, you can see that we got the Pitaka branding, a picture of the case on Z Fold 7. This picture is embossed, so kind of 3D appearance is there. If you move your finger on it, you can feel the 3D effect as well. Here it says that it is MagSafe compatible. It is woven from aramid fiber with aerospace grade material. It is slim and lightweight. It weighs just 24.7 grams and the thickness is 1.2 mm. The exact same information you will find on Sunset case as well. But here on the retail box of the classic case, you can see the weight is 22.2 grams and the thickness is 1 mm. So compared to the Sunset and Moonrise cases, the classic case is 2.5 grams lighter and also 0.2 mm thinner. And the reason for that is the classic case does not come with the texture that you will see on Moonrise and Sunset cases. We will have a quick look on all of them. On the back, once again, you can see all of this information that it is made of aramid fiber. This is the Moonrise version, the blue one. Another one is the Sunset, the pinkish reddish one. Once again, we got some of the information that it is made by high dimensional stability temperature cycling test. It is scratch resistant. It comes with eraser abrasion test as well. The case is discoloration resistant, stain resistant. It comes with long lifetime and Pitaka has performed the UV exposure reliability test on it as well. So here we got a quick start guide showing the instruction how to use this case. So here is our Pitaka Moonrise case for Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. As you can see, it's very slim, 1.2 mm thick only, and it's quite lightweight as well. So here we got the classic aramid fiber case for Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 from Pitaka. And here is the Sunset case for Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. So these are the 3 Pitaka aramid fiber cases for Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. The classic one, the Sunset one, and the Moonrise. The Sunset and Moonrise cases are exactly same in terms of dimension, thickness, weight, etc. You can see that on both of them we got this Pitaka branding matching with the color accent of the case. The same goes with the camera ring as well. That's going to protect the camera module of your Z Fold 7. At the top we got the cutouts for the microphone, sensors, etc. On the side we got the cutout for the volume keys, as you can see here. At the bottom we got the cuts for the primary microphone as well as the USB Type-C port, and the side towards hinge is totally open. The Sunset Moonrise cases are really nice. If you move your finger, you can feel the texture on it. That feels so good, and it's going to contribute in the providing superior grip while holding the Z Fold 7 as well. If you talk about the classic case, it comes with this carbon fiber design, aramid fiber look, as you can see here. Compared to the other 2 cases, it is slightly thinner and lighter as well, because it does not come with the texture like the other 2 cases. There is still a bit of texture, but not as much as the Sunset and Moonrise cases, and because of that, it is slightly thinner and lightweight as well. On the back of all of these 3 cases, you can see we got this MagSafe module, and it comes with this adhesive strip that will help in using this case with your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. So let's try our Moonrise case with our Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 here. And here we go. So as you can see that it is fitting perfectly on our Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. It's really improving the looks of the device. And once again, now you can see that we got these cutouts for the volume keys and the power button. The camera module is totally protected, as you can see here. At the bottom we got the cutouts for the USB Type-C port and the microphone. This part is open, as you can see. This case is only for the back panel of the device. Once again, as you can see, the hinge is naked and open as well. And while holding the Z Fold 7 now, it is really providing very nice grip because of this texture we got here on the case. If you unfold the device, it will be like this. So the back panel will be protected, but there is no protection on the body of the half of the device, as you can see. So if you just want the protection on the back panel and the camera module, then Pitaka Aramid fiber case for Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 is one of the best options because it's very lightweight, very slim, looks very beautiful, provides nice grip while holding the device, and it is quite premium in terms of build quality and material. Depending on your preference, you can go with either the classic one that is also a bit lighter and thinner, or the sunset one, or the moonrise one. If you're interested in buying the Pitaka Aramid fiber case for your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7, then I have shared the link in the description of this video. And if you enjoyed watching this video, if you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.